Okay, so this is section 3.3, number 13, and the instructions are to differentiate y equals t sine of t over 1 plus t. So to differentiate this problem, we're going to use the quotient rule, which is low d high minus high d low all over low low. So y prime equals low, which is your 1 plus t, and then d high. So in order to do the derivative of the numerator, you actually have to do the product rule. So you do first times the derivative of the second, which in this case is cosine t, plus the second times the derivative of the first, and the derivative of t is just 1. And then minus, so that's your low d high, minus high, which is t sine t. And then times the derivative of the bottom, and the derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of t is 1, so just times 1, all over low low. So 1 plus t times 1 plus t. And then we can multiply out. So then we get, well, first we can actually multiply these together. So 1 plus t times t cosine t plus sine of t, because sine of t times 1 is just sine of t, and then minus t sine of t, all over 1 plus t, and we'll just write it as 1 plus t squared. So when you have y prime, and now we can factor it out, or multiply it out, so you have 1 times t cosine t is just t cosine of t, and 1 plus sine of t is plus just sine t, and then t times t cosine t is t squared cosine of t, and then t times sine of t is t sine of t, and then minus t sine of t, all over 1 plus t squared. And then I can already see here that we can cancel out the plus t sine of t minus t sine of t, and then the rest doesn't look like we can cancel anything out. So our answer will be t cosine of t plus sine of t plus t squared cosine of t all over 1 plus t squared.